Anthony McAvaney here from GetOnlineLab.com. I've just had an amazing interview with Didi Hoffman, where he was asking me about some of the hints and tips that I could give to people who, and we talked specifically about group coaching. So what I was able to outline really was some starting points and a series of, I believe, fairly simple steps. Time consuming, yes, but if you follow those steps, I think it helps you build a foundation where you have a lot of confidence in that you have an audience, an ideal audience in mind, that you're aware of what the problem is that you can best help them solve. And you can then do some associated research to ensure there's a demand for your program. Having done all that, you can then, I think, proceed with confidence to then create your content, build your platform, and then actually get the coaching out there. So I hope those hints and tips will help anyone who is seriously considering going into the coaching industry, and in particular, people who have the idea that coaching is a great way to operate their business. Group coaching I'm talking about. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy it.